It's right here from Dia&Co. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mrs. Ashley and I am doing a unboxing today from Dia&Co. This is my second box. My first box, as you guys could tell, it wasn't that great. And I decided to make this channel be in my room, which is really nice because I have some sun shining over there and we are going to get ready and try on these clothes. So let's unbox this Dia&Co box. Just gonna cut this. Please guys, be careful with it. I'm just using my typical knife. Has a fork and spoon. Make sure you cut away from your body and not like how I did in my last video. So far for this box, this type of box, if you guys wanted to know, it comes in like this and it has your shipping bag if you want to return the items. But basically this is a $20 style fee style box, and you pay $20 for I believe it's a month, and they'll style you with some stuff that they think that would fit you, as long as you put in your height, your sizes, and everything like that. So last time some of the dresses were a little bit too big, and the jeans were just perfect, but I thought the pricing was just a little bit on the steep side. So when you get your box and you get your $20 box you spent on it, and if you want to keep anything, they'll credit that $20 for the box to credit it to your item that you want to keep, and then you pay the difference of the item, and then there you have something from their style company that you want to keep and everything like that. And that's how that works. So again, they have the shipping bag that if you want to return the items, if you don't like it, if it's not your style, if you can't fit it, you have that to have that for you guys. It says, Ashley, thanks for letting us style you. And it says, I'm sorry your first box wasn't what you expected. I'd love to make it up to you, and I hope these styles find a place in your wardrobe. So this is from Alexandria. The first box, I believe, was, I think it was a Megan or a Melissa. I might be wrong on that, but yes. Anyway, I see black and floral. Again, it is going to be springtime, so maybe that's where they're getting their the flowers from. Maybe that's what's gonna be on trend. I'm not too sure. I really don't follow the trend and all that stuff. I don't know about this, guys. This looks like what my mother would wear. I understand I am 31 years old, but I don't know. Well, we shall see. This next one I am worried about. I'm really worried about. The pattern is just not my style. I just don't know what's going on with the second box. So far, not so good. It's a dress. So this is the dress right here. And as you can see, the pattern, and it's not even that good of a quality because it's pretty sheer, or not sheer, but I don't know, it's cotton, I think, but it's just not me. I really, really don't like this. So, well, I'll still try it on and I'll still take photos with it, and but it's not looking too good here. Dia&Co. Just saying. If there's any other style box you guys know of that are for plus size petite women, please leave it in the description down below. This is not a sponsored box. I pay for everything here, and yeah, just leave me in the comments down below if you guys know any style boxes that you think that I would get a kick out of. I am definitely unsure of my style, but then again, I also know what I like. So hopefully I find a box that will speak to me, because this is not speaking to me, people. Next thing is something black, which I have a black shirt on right now. This is actually pretty nice. It has a tie up right here, and it should hug the girls because I don't have much boobage, and so anything that accentuates the boobage in a nice way, I probably will end up keeping. So this shirt is so far looks really great. So it's like that. So I really like it so far. Now the price is what, sometimes the price might kill it. So, but this is a really nice shirt. So I really like this. I do see pants and a jewelry box. So this is a 16 slimming cuffed capri. So this is going to be a capri, and sometimes capris don't work out for me because of the fact that I am short, so this might be just a regular pant on me. It is this olive green color. I'm going to try to pair it with what they sent already, and so that's what the capris look like. I'm not too fond of the color, but then again, it might grow on me, who knows. So this is the capri pants, and it's cuffed like the last one. And last but not least, there is a jewelry piece that I may or may not like. It's fairly heavy. This is supposed to be a necklace. The necklace that they sent. I don't know. We'll have to see the price, but let's go and style myself. The olive green capri look like with these shoes, and I thought it would look nice with this because it has some green in it. But I'm not totally loving this style because it does remind me of my mom's wardrobe. So I'm not totally loving it, but it does fit, and that's all I can say for this piece, for these two pieces. So we'll see what the prices are, and if I keep it, I'll let you guys know. So I really like this black shirt. I'm not so loving the olive green. It's not growing on me or anything like that, but I did pair it up with these shoes down here, and I absolutely love it with these shoes. I love how this rouging right here does perk up the girls in a way that complements my area, so that's good. I like how these are not short sleeve and it's not a total long sleeve. They are perfect for when I'm too hot or too cold. Definitely a night out on the town type of outfit. So let's get into the next dress. So I paired this dress with the necklace that they gave. The necklace is not worth what I saw. It's cute, but it's not that cute. If it was $10 or $15 even, I would definitely stick around and got this necklace, but for $28 it's kind of not really up my alley. This dress is not my style. I really don't like the pattern. I love how it hugs and curves. I love the sleeve length, but as it's getting hotter here in Cali, I would rather have a short sleeve type of dress or something different. But I do like the cut of this where it accentuates again, the girls, I just don't like the pattern and print. So let's go tally up. Okay, so we got done trying on all of these clothes. Let's go through the bill, shall we? So the necklace, it's a silver necklace. It's a, everybody can wear it. If you have a big neck, a short neck, it looks great on everybody. However, it is not my style. It's very plain, in my opinion. And for $28, I'm not impressed. So that is going to be going back to the return. Now the Cameo Springfield knit printed dress, it's that red navy. It's this dress right here, and unfortunately I really like how it fit my body, but unfortunately the print is very, very ugly, and just to be quite honest, not my style. It looked cute in the pictures, but would I ever go out of my way to put it on and wear it out? No. So I'm going to be putting that back in the return bag and push it along its way. And it is also $75. Next is this olive green capri. It fit in the right spots. However, I am a legging girl, and leggings get me off, and shorts. So I just don't feel right. I mean, I really liked the jeans prior with the rips in them, and I did return that jean because it is out of my price range, and these olive green pants are definitely out of my price range as well, but I don't love them like I did the last one, which were the jeans. And so the capri, cuffed capri, olive green, size 16 is $72. So I give that and we will be returning that as well. Now the next one, which surprised me in my try on, was this print right here. I did say that it did look like what my mom would wear, and it actually came off pretty cute on camera. And they fit very, very well, and it actually camouflaged my stomach area, which I really liked. But let's see. The price for the Maribel Bella Keyhole Sheer Tank 1X is $59. Do I love this enough to keep it? I have to say no, because if I have a $20 credit, you know, and then I'd have to pay the balance of $39. So $39 extra on top of what I already paid for $20. I am not feeling this at all. So that is going to be going back, and I have a feeling that I could find something similar at Walmart that looks exactly the same, that has it probably doesn't feel the same because these are higher end brands, but I could probably find something really cheap for the same, almost the same thing at Walmart. Now down to the black shirt that I really, really like. This is something different. It has that this knotting right here for the girls, and it's a half sleeve, or yeah, it's like a half sleeve. It's not a full sleeve, and I really like that. It's a really nice feel. The price for this shirt is $58. It's a Kiona knit jersey twist top, and it is $58. So I would have to pay $38 extra, and I am going to actually ask the husband for the return of the whole box or keep the black shirt. What shall I do with the shirt? Does it look good enough for $38 extra, or should I send it back?
I don't know. I mean, are those shirts kind of common?
I probably, no. I haven't seen one. I probably would have seen one in like Macy's or something.
But like, if you were to pay for that shirt, how much would it be? Like $30, right?
$38 extra on top of the $20 that they styled me with.
So you already paid $20.
Yeah.
And then you gotta pay another $30. Where if you go buy it at Macy's, it's probably already $30.
Maybe.
Possibly. I don't know. I'm just the cameraman, that's all I am.
Okay, so for that black shirt, he said I could possibly find it at Macy's for already $30. I already paid the $20, and $38 extra is not in the budget. So we are going to be returning all of these products back to Dia&Co, and hopefully that next month is a little bit better. We shall see. I will definitely put all my ratings out on there. If you guys want to check out Dia&Co, I'll leave the link down below. And I hope you guys like this series, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!